What's the meaning of Bible bashing? Bible bashing. Bible bashing.
Bible bashing. Bible bashing. The term Bible bashing refers to forcefully and aggressively preaching or promoting the Christian Bible, often in a confrontational or judgmental manner. It is typically used to describe the actions of individuals who attempt to convert others to their religious beliefs through persistent and overbearing means. The term can also be used more broadly to describe any instance of overly zealous or dogmatic promotion of a particular ideology or belief system. The phrase may have originated in Australia or the United Kingdom and has since become popularized in other English-speaking countries. Some Christians view the term as derogatory and offensive, while others acknowledge its negative connotations.